Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Science 1 Question Bank Give Reason Part 2. Let us start. Periodic classification of elements. First question is, why did Mendeleev kept vacant place in his periodic table? We know that Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of chemical and physical properties. During his period, some elements were not discovered, but he predicted that certain elements would be discovered in future, and he predicted the properties of that elements also. Three of that unknown elements were Ika boron, Ika aluminium, and Ika silicon. So to get place for this predicted element, Mendeleev kept vacant place in his periodic table. Next question is, there was an ambiguity regarding the place of hydrogen in Mendeleev's periodic table. That means there is a confusion regarding the position of hydrogen in Mendeleev's periodic table. Why? We know that hydrogen shows properties, chemical properties of hydrogen and halogens are similar. So they should come in the same group. But at the same time, hydrogen shows chemical properties similar to that of alkali metals also. As a result of this, it is not decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the alkali metals, that is group 1, or with halogens group 17. Next question is, boron and oxygen are present in second period. We know that elements belongs to the same period contains same number of shells. For example, look at this diagram. Elements belongs to first period contains one shell, that is K shell. Elements belongs to second period contains two shells are there, K and L. Same like this, third shell contains K, L, M. Three shells are there. Here, boron and oxygen. Boron have two shells. Oxygen also have two shells, that is K and L shell. That is why boron and oxygen are present in second period. Next question. There was an ambiguity regarding the position of isotopes in periodic table. We know that isotopes have same chemical properties. So they should come in the, or they should be placed in the same position, okay, in the periodic table. At the same time, isotopes are same atomic number but different mass number, so they should be placed in different position in the periodic table. Hence, there was a confusion or ambiguity regarding the position of isotopes in the periodic table. Next question is, lithium and sodium are placed in the same group. We know that in a group, the elements are same valency. That means number of electrons in the outermost shell is the same. So the electronic configuration of lithium and sodium, when we check, electronic configuration of lithium is 2,1 and sodium is 281. Both these elements contains same number of electrons in their outermost shell, that is 1. So they belongs to group 1. That is why lithium and sodium are placed in the same group. Next question is, the atomic size of boron and oxygen are different even though they are present in the same period. We know that all the elements present in the same period have same number of shells. It is equal to their period number. While going from left to right, look at this diagram. While going from left to right, atomic number increases by 1. That means the nuclear charge increases by 1 and the electrons are adding to the same shell. So the distance between nucleus and the outermost shell decreases because of the nuclear attraction. As the number of electron increases, The nuclear charge is also increasing, but electrons are adding to the same shell. So the nucleus will pull the electrons. As a result, their atomic size will decrease. Boron and oxygen. Boron and oxygen belongs to second period, but the size of boron, you can see in this diagram, is greater than that of oxygen, because atomic size decreases as we move from left to right in a period. That is why size of boron and oxygen are different, even though they are present in the same period. Next question is, metallic character goes on decreasing while going from left to right in a period. We know that metallic character means the tendency of an atom to lose the electrons. If they lose electron, they will become positively charged ion or cation. This tendency of an element is called metallic character. So while going from left to right in a period, the atomic number increases and positive charge increases by 1, but electrons are adding to the same shell. So their atomic size will decrease. So the tendency of an atom to lose electron will decreases. That is why while going from left to right, metallic character decreases in a period. Next question is, non-metallic character goes on increasing while going from left to right in a period. We know that non-metallic character means the tendency of an atom not to lose the electron. So while going from left to right, the atomic number is increasing. Positive charge on the nucleus increases, but electrons are adding to same shell. So their atomic size will decrease. So it is very difficult to remove the electron from an outermost shell. That is why non-metallic character increases while going from left to right in a period. Next question is, atomic radius goes on increases down a group. We know that as we move from top to bottom, the number of new shells are adding. New shells are adding as we move from top to bottom. Therefore, the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell increases. As a result, the atomic size will increases. You look at the diagram, you can see the size of the atom is increasing as we move from top to bottom. Next question is, in group second, element calcium and beryllium, calcium is more electropositive. We know that electropositivity means the tendency of an atom to form positively charged ion by losing electron. As we move from top to bottom in a group, new shells are adding. So the distance between nucleus and outermost shell will increase, and the tendency of an atom to lose electron will also increases. So in this diagram, beryllium is above calcium. So the tendency of calcium to lose electron is greater than that of beryllium. That is why in group second element, calcium and beryllium, calcium is more electropositive. The last question is, the element present in same group have same valency. We know that valency means number of electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. In a group, all the elements are same number of valence electrons. That is why elements present in the same group have same valency. I hope you all understood the give reason. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and classmates. We will solve the next give reason in the next video.